Hello, in front of me I've got Corsair K100. In this video I'll show you how to remap buttons. In the beginning, go to Corsair app and go to key assignments. Now tap plus and now select remap. Select key, for example F1. Now you can add modifier. You can enable immediate holding key or disable it, and then you can select buttons for the remap. You can also select lang keys for this button, mouse keys for this button, keystroke for this button, text for this combination, media controls for this combination. You can disable this button or you can create macro. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.